Hi everyone, today we'll see how to create a presentation using a AI. So for creating a presentation AI, I'm using the one of the application that is a Tom app. So Tom app is the free application and you can access by the your Gmail ID. So you can see here, this is the Outlook. This is a view of the Tom app and it's showing the many things here. So let's suppose if I want to create, this is all the templates. So this is a template related to fundraising page. You can't do it, then you can create a resume and everything. Let's see how it will be work. So I click on the create. Then so here one of the how do you want to create with the AI? So I click on the create with AI. So now you can write anything about what you want. So let's suppose I want to create a presentation. So you have to write create a presentation about, let's suppose create a presentation. So what I want, create presentation about quantum computing. So let's see how what is a quantum computing and everything they will be give. So I write it create a presentation about quantum computing, and this is all the topic that that created, and they're saying that choose a layout, which layout you want. So I click on the first slide. So first slide is like this. So I want this slide is good. Okay, and also it's generating some images. You can see here. See next slide, what is a quantum computing. So let's suppose I'm selecting this layout. This layout is looks good. So is a quantum computing is combines and everything is showing us. So one by one I'm choosing the layout of my all slides, and this is very helpful to create an interactive presentation. So this is second slide, third slide, fourth slide. So all the slide I'm choosing here. Then I will show the what is a quantum gate. So this is slide is looks good related to the quantum gate. Next slide. Total I have the 6 slides, so I need to choose one by one all the layout of the each one. So I'm choosing this one about the two algorithms. We have a quantum in the Shor and the Grover's algorithms. Then the last slide is this. So I'm choosing Annie's layout from this. So let's suppose I'm choosing this one. Next, and this is the last last slide. It will be show this 6 by 6. So this is done. Now you can see here presentation is created successfully. Now I can play the presentation. I can see what is inside of that presentation. So this is the presentation, introduction to quantum computing. This is what is a quantum computing, and very interactive slides are here, and also the giving us the all the content and the images with this. So this is, we can say this is the because it's using the chat GPT and is a alternative of the chat GPT if you want to create so this is all about the Tom app. So how to create a presentation within a seconds using a Tom app and generating the image is using the Tom app. Thank you guys.